What is up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be replacing the clutch master cylinder on my 1995 Honda Civic. And I'm going to show you guys the steps of replacing the part. Alright, so step number one, you're going to want to remove this little pin. Let me show you guys. You're going to want to remove this little pin right here. Once you take off the pin, located right here, you just undo the pin, pull it out, and then you can push this little thing to the left and just pull it out through the back. Just like that. So just put these aside, make sure you don't lose them because we're still going to need them right now. Alright, so next thing, we're going to remove these two 10mm bolts to get the reservoir out of the way. And we can undo this little hose clamp. Alright, you're just gonna put these on the side right here. Now we're gonna undo that hose clamp down there. Make sure you have like a little cup or something on the side just in case. So now we're gonna pull this hose out and drop all the liquid inside the little cup. Alright, so once we got that disconnected, we're gonna disconnect this little bolt right here. Alright guys, and this little bolt here is it's a 10mm Allen key. So I already broke it loose. I'm just unscrewing it by hand. Alright, so once we got that out, we're gonna go back inside the car and undo the 10mm bolts inside. Alright guys, so down here, there's one 12mm bolt right here that's holding the clutch master cylinder in. So we're gonna go ahead and undo this. Alright guys, so this is the bolt right here. I already broke it loose, so I'm gonna unscrew it by hand. So I'm just gonna put that aside. And there's one more over here. Right over here on the other side. Right behind this. I can't really show you guys, but it's right there. Okay, there it is. So we're gonna undo this bolt real quick, and the clutch master cylinder should pop right out. Alright guys, so I just undid that second nut. Now the clutch should just pop right out. The clutch master cylinder. You just, we'll pull it out from the outside. Alright, so here it is. You just wiggle it out. Look at that. Alright guys, so now we're just gonna pop the new clutch master cylinder in. Just like that. Alright, so once you're back in here, We're gonna tighten up these bolts that are holding in the clutch master cylinder. Remember, it was one right here and one back there. I already tightened mine up. Now, remember this little guy? Okay, so we're gonna reuse him. Make sure you engage the clutch and just wiggle it in. All right, so once you have it in, we're gonna go ahead and put in the little safety pin. We're gonna put it back in and twist it. All right, guys, so I was able to put in the little pin and twist it. I had to do it off camera because I need to use both of my hands. But we already got the clutch master cylinder put in. We got the 2 bolts that are holding it in. Those are tightened up. We got the pin in, so now it works. All right, so now we're gonna go outside and connect the reservoir back in. All right, guys, so we got the hose clamped back up right there where the master cylinder goes. We got these 2 bolts that are holding the reservoir. So now we're just gonna fill it back up with a .3 brake fluid. All right, so we're just gonna pump the clutch a few times just to get it going. All right, guys, so what I did was I started the car and started pumping the clutch until it started getting stiff again. So at first the clutch was just stuck all the way in there, but just keep pumping it and then it should be good to go. My clutch is back to normal now. There's no leaks or anything. So everything turned out good. You know, thank you guys for watching. I know this video was kind of like, it was all over the place. I mean, I didn't have anybody recording and I couldn't find the little tripod I used to record, so I'm sorry about that. I'm gonna link the video that I used, you know, to help me, well, the video I used, the video I watched that helped me, you know, get this installed. And if you're wondering why my door panel's missing, it's back here. It's right there. My window regulator, I don't know if it went bad, but my window just dropped down, so I'm guessing it doesn't work anymore. But I got the part ordered already. I'm gonna go pick it up tomorrow morning, and I should make another video on that. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time. Peace.